Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you what I'll be packing for my 1 week trip to Turkey. So we're leaving in just about 1.5 hours with the train to Helsinki airport with 4 of my good girlfriends, and we're gonna spend a week in Alanya, Turkey, and just enjoy the nice weather and the atmosphere. So today I'm gonna show you everything that I'll be packing. So for this trip, it's a 1 week trip and it's gonna be warm climate, so I'll be packing my Osprey Farpoint 40, the backpack, and then I also have my Konken backpack as my personal item, so everything that I need is gonna be fitting in those bags. So as I said, this is the backpack that I'll be bringing. This is the Farpoint 40, so it's a 40-liter backpack and it fits in the overhead compartment of most airlines, so it's a good one to have if you're traveling carry-on only. And then I also have my Fjällräven Konken. This is, I believe this is a 16 or 18 liter backpack, just as a personal item. So in here I'll be keeping my my iPad, my phone, my passport, wallet, water bottle, and these kind of things. So for clothing, I have this smaller packing cube. This packing cube is from Eagle Creek. It's a packet isolate, something like that, but it's a compression packing cube. So as you can see, it has these zippers on the side which compresses the clothes that I have in here. In this smaller packing cube I have 10 pairs of underwear, you know, just in case, 4 pairs of socks, and also 3 swimsuits or bikinis. So that's all in here. Then I have this larger packing cube, and this fits all of my clothes that I will be bringing. This is a similar packing cube. It's also from Eagle Creek, the packet isolate compression packing cube or something like that. But it is very full right now, so the compression only works if it's like a bit empty, and this is not. So for clothes I will be bringing this nice, it's just like a cardigan. It's, let me show you. It's this very flowy short sleeve cardigan type. It's very thin and very flowy, so it's good to have, for example, for going out if it's a bit chilly during the evenings, or if it's like on the beach and I'm starting to get sunburned. This is also good for that, so very multi-purpose here. Then I have these orange flowy pants. These are very thin, also very thin material and very flowy, so great for warmer climates and summer. And I think these are really fun, so yeah, I just bought them and I love them. Then I have one of these like tighter black dress. So this is just a very stretchy material and about like knee length. Just a very basic black strappy dress. I have 2 pairs of shorts which are both like flowy shorts. I decided not to bring any jean short for this trip, but yeah, these are a light pair. These are, the color is a bit more darker than you can see on this video, but very flowy and very nice. These are a bit longer, so you're not, you know, your ass isn't gonna be seen in these shorts. Then I have a pair of fun flowy flower shorts, also very flowy, very thin material, so very good for warm climates. Then I have one like short sleeve crop top, very basic, it's just a stretchy one. And I have a nicer dress, which is this, also very flowy. I believe that's the word for my packing today. But very flowy dress with, which is black with these like polka dots and flowers. And this is like a short sleeve, but the sleeve is also a bit flowy. And it has this strap to put around your waist, so it looks very nice. Another top, this is just a strappy crop top, a black one with some lace details here. Top, this is like a very thin crop top to sleep in. Not a crop top, tank top to sleep in. So Then I have a pair of sport shorts for, we're gonna do some activities in Turkey that require some more sporty outfits, so these gonna be good for that. So just a pair of sport shorts from Nike. I also have one skirt, another flowy skirt, which is this red color and flower, like small flowers here. And it's this wrap skirt, so it has, so it's open, but then you wrap it and it looks like that. And another top, this is like just a regular flowy thin top with some straps, and this is not a crop top, it's just a regular top. Then I have another tank top, which is this black one, which is like it has kind of like a higher neck. Sorry, you can see really well because I have a black t-shirt, but just a stretchy top. And then I have this one, which is really nice. It has this, this is really hard to show because it has a lot of straps, but it has this open back and you tie these straps around your back, and yeah, it's nice, a crop top as well. And another like strappy crop top, just a black one. And that's all of my clothing. I will also be bringing this t-shirt to have, and then a pair of training tights, workout tights for the fight. And I will also be bringing like a sweater or jacket of some sort as well, but I haven't decided which one yet. I also have this nice cap to have to prevent any sunburns. This is gonna be really nice for the beach. I will be bringing 3 pairs of shoes this time. I have one pair of like a sporty workout shoe. Then I have these these are like a barefoot sneaker from Field Grounds, which are very flexible and thin. And then I just have my Birkenstock. I believe this is the Eva model, which is like a water tolerant, waterproof material, so very nice and very comfortable as well. So this is my toiletry bag, and I have separated my toiletries already, so I have everything, all the liquids in this bag. Yeah, nothing special, just all the liquids here, and everything else toiletry related in this bag. And I have made a video earlier with a more detailed version about what's in my toiletry bag, so if you want to check that out, I will leave a link up here so you can do that. But I'm not gonna go into detail in what's here, but this is from Travel-On, and I have a lot of like solid products that aren't liquid. So I have some shampoo and conditioner bars, I have this travel razor, my electric toothbrush, some deodorant and that kind of stuff. But yeah, check out the video where I tell you more about what's in my toiletry bag. Then I just recently purchased this tech pouch from Peak Design, and in here I have a lot of stuff. This is really stuffed at the moment, but it opens like that, and I have a lot of stuff. I think I should do like a separate what's in my tech pouch video, because yeah, I have a lot of stuff in here. But I have some cables, some like a USB-C hub for my iPad and MacBook. I will only be bringing my iPad for this trip though. And I have another lens, just this one from Canon. This is the 22mm lens. I have like a filter for the lens, and an ND filter. I have a power bank, this is a very large one, and I have also an SSD and some chargers, and this very small like Bluetooth speaker from JBL. But yeah, a lot of chargers and cables and stuff like that I need for my electronics and camera gear. Then for bags, like smaller bags, I have this like fanny pack situation. This is a black one with like a textile strap. And this is really, really convenient because it fits like my wallet, my phone, my GoPro and that kind of stuff. So very convenient. I think I will be using this a lot. But then if I want to be a bit fancier, I will also be bringing this crossbody bag, which is a funny color. So yeah, this one is also going with me. Then for some like random things, I have a deck of cards. I have like a foldable canvas bag, foldable bag. And then I have this small pouch where I have a pair of earrings and then like a hair claw thing. One of these. I will be bringing one pair of sunglasses, of course, and also a pair of snorkel glasses, because these are just fun to have when we're gonna be near the water. And of course my iPad with my Apple Pencil. So that's everything that I will be packing in my large Osprey backpack. And then in here I will be putting my iPad in here, and then I have my case for my glasses. I have my GoPro with this 3-way stick, which is really nice. Oh, by the way, for my GoPro I will also be bringing this floaty stick for like beach days. I have my insulated water bottle. I have a pair of headphones from Bose, which are noise cancelling. I have a lot of like masks for if we will be needing those on the flight and in Turkey. Maybe, I don't know how much they use those, but it's good to have in these times. And a hairbrush. And in the smaller pocket of this bag I have my phone charger, I have my passport, and I have this travel wallet which I just purchased from Muji. I think this is very convenient because it has, usually I just use cards in my daily life, but this has like place for cash as well. And I have a pen and some lip balm if I will be needing those. And another random bit that goes in my Osprey is this very small face towel, just for my face, so I don't need to use my big towel which can get a bit dirty. So yeah, that's that. Let's get into packing. Oh, by the way, one thing I forgot to mention that I will be bringing is my Turkish hammam towel. This is like a Turkish towel which takes up very little room. It's very comfortable. So it's a very small piece of towel, but it's a full-size towel. So this is really good to have when traveling. everything fit just perfectly. I almost got a bit sweaty doing that. There was a lot of packing. But I am very happy. I will be leaving in just about half an hour from home, and I will be bringing you with me to Turkey as well. So stay tuned and remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more travel videos. I hope you enjoyed these packing videos because I really enjoy doing them. So yeah, that's all. That's everything. I have everything packed and I am ready to leave to Turkey. So I will see you there. Bye!